Thinking of installing an electric fireplace in your home? In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of framing an electric fireplace, whether it's wall-mounted or built-in. The first step is deciding where to place your fireplace. Make sure the wall structure can support the unit, and always use fireproof materials for safety. Depending on the type of fireplace, you'll need to build a frame with the right framing dimensions. Measure carefully to ensure a snug fit. For a wall-mounted electric fireplace, the frame is usually simpler and doesn't require as much depth. However, a built-in fireplace may require more extensive framing work, including accommodating ventilation requirements and the unit's electrical setup. It's also important to think about the surrounding design. Whether you're adding drywall or choosing a decorative fireplace surround, make sure it complements your room's decor. Don't forget to check local building codes and regulations to ensure your installation is safe and compliant. While DIY framing can be a fun project, if you're unsure, it's always best to consult with a professional installer to avoid mistakes. For more home improvement tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.